Should I outside? I want outside. Na naman ako. What the fuck is wrong with this cow? Hey, the gym. Bumabibili ako mamaya sa market. That's the freaking essence. Hey y'all, I'm going out today. I'm going to my brother's apartment and I'm gonna vlog my day. This is the day in my life, but I think I'm gonna use my digicam most of the time. I'll try my best to use it kasi I don't like the quality of it. So yeah, so I'm currently waiting for my grab for my joyride driver, my motor driver. It's currently 1:50 PM and sobrang init sa labas. Kasi like sobrang init. Pero nag-long sleeves ako kasi girl, sobrang init and I want to have a sunburn. Hindi na ako ganit days and all kasi I'm going there for may dadalhin akong gamit and then mag-gym ako saglit. Then I'm gonna go home na din agad-agad kasi wala lang. Sobrang dami kong dalang gamit. Sana pala nag-grab na lang ako kaso isa lang kasi ako. I only do grabs when I'm with my mom. Tagal niya, bro. I'll update you guys. And here's Pupu. Ano yun? I'm here. And later lang, mga, I think 3:30, I'm gonna go down to the gym. And then, okay, I need to do this faster. I need to control that stream and then the main thing. And then, yeah, I'll just charge my battery kasi may lobat na siya. I am going to prepare to go to gym. And it's currently 4:05. And I'm going to change into my gym clothes. This beautiful day. I will change. I'm on my way to gym. Mabibili na ako mamaya sa market. That's where the gym is. Wait. Guys, a freaking bad decision I made is I went walking sa gym and then I'll walk like 5 minutes more para mapunta sa market. I'm tired. I'm so freaking tired. But I need to do what I gotta do. pauwi ko pala sa 5 minutes. So, siguro mga 3 minutes. I'll see you there. May sauce ba to? May sauce siyang kasama. Get this. Let's get that. Wait. I've been craving ramen for a long freaking time. Okay, since me and my mom have been craving ramen for a long time, I guess I'll get this. Let's get... Guys, wala pa yung pinagpipili na kuya ko, pero nakuha ko. What the hell? I just got back. I'm watching On the Wings of Love, guys. Bisita. That's the freaking S-Lex. I'm going home, guys. Hi guys, I'm home. May ka, mami. Arty niyan. I'm back home. Kakain na ako.
Nakakamatay ang
Guys, alam niyo ba? Sobrang traffic kanina. Kasi like, super traffic kanina. Yung driver, guys, sobrang bait ng driver. Sa paggantuan siya sa akin, like, about life niya, about sa mga anak niya, amazing. Like, 10 out of 10. Super bait niya. Anyway, kain lang ako. Y'all, what is up? Okay. So, I'm currently uploading each clip from my Digicam to my phone, and then from my phone to my tablet, so that I could edit everything and then upload it. I think I'm gonna upload it by tomorrow, so I'm gonna end the video here. And I think this video would be pretty short, like short lang siya. I don't know, like babawi na lang ako sa next video. I'm gonna make it more like entertaining and long. Yeah, this is it, guys. It's time to say goodbye. Bye vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then next video, I want it to be a sit-down video. I'm gonna do a sit-down video. Kasi I really want it to be a sit-down video kasi I want you guys to get to know me. And yeah, mag-iisip ako kung ano pwedeng going video for that. And also, this is the digicam I used this whole entire video. Pero I think I'm gonna like sing it some clips na galing sa phone ko. But this is the camera that I used. It's pretty old, like super old na siya. And I think it's durable naman. So yeah, yun lang. I'm gonna edit na.